Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this AirPods kit, or it says Podskins. I really don't like that name, so we are not going to call that. So let's just call this the AirPods case set. So of course, as you can see, it is really cheap. It's just $4, and it is a four-piece set, so it is really thin compared to my old silicone case that I used to have. Let's go ahead and right away unbox it. The advantage is this includes the clipping thing, so you can hang it to your bag or handbag, which is not recommended. And the funny part is this casing, it says AirPods not included for, I'm not sure, illustrative purposes, so that they don't get sued. And that's pretty much it for the overview. Let's go ahead and box this. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So this is what comes out of the box. The only disappointment is the fact that the case for the lid, the one that exposes the AirPods inside, so the door for the charging case, the case for that is not connected with the whole case itself, so this can be lost. So fun fact, the fact that I'm changing covers right now is because that I lost the top half of my charging case safety covers, so this is pretty disappointing. But they did not mention that in the box, nor did they show it with an image, or since the packaging was transparent, they could have showed that this was away from the whole thing itself. But it's fine, let's just use it. And this is for sporting purposes, and this is for people with special needs. I mean, no, people with who have special ears, different sizes, so that it doesn't fall away from their ears. Sorry for the out of focus, and thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.